They have some we say the core technology architecture of the smartphone. First one, sensor layer including IoT. So IoT, basically we mentioned we say sensor, drone, real time to monitor the status of the core. Second, let's mean connected. Connected as the user use what? 就是5G network, Wi-Fi, low orbit satellite to remote control this frame and so on. Finally, you can make decision. They make decision just like a brain, like artificial intelligence. Make decision. Yeah. Let's use the data and so on. Okay, so this case is just for you. Chinese, I translate. Sometimes you can use recycle digital twin. Okay. And in this one, Chinese character just show you first one. They say the automatic computer terminal layout. Automatic computer terminal layout. You can use digital twin to do that. They can do some training. Because digital twin that means they have two sides. If you see that side, that means real motivation on time. Okay, you can see the on time or real time, we say the movement of the port. Another rest means we say the invisible or digital. Okay, so it just similar to some picture, you can see your screen. And this side, they have many different functions. First function, as we can see, simulation forecast. Forecast of future content handling cargo volumes. Okay, final one. Let's mean it's also you can check out so far as the means the real status of the container terminal. That means invisible or container terminal movement. They can use this kind of we so-called digital twin function to do that. So in Taiwan, if you like to apply for the Ministry of Transportation project, you have designed this kind of so-called digital twin. Left side is the real situation. Right side is different function, including simulation, forecast, inspection. So, okay. So very easy. Because for example, you would like to design a new building, right? You don't need to build out a new building. You can use this kind of we say invisible the digital design your building in your terminal. So very easy, okay. And so you can do the simulation, and also another function is we say forecast, and the last one is inspect. Okay, so these are three. Okay, so here just show you the different labor. First labor we say sense labor, including IoT sensor, RFID tag, including some civilian camera, drone inspection, and weather station. They can correct the data. More output, submit to user communication tunnel. For example, 5G and the fiber optic network and the low orbit satellite， 还有 IoT gateway 物联网，还有就是我们讲的低轨卫星，这个叫通讯。然后呢，因为你有 sensor 嘛，对不对 ？sensor 之后呢，再经过通讯，然后再做决策，上面决策层。So intelligent layers, top one, including the AI, machine learning, big data analytics, cloud computing platform, digital twin, and blockchains. So we can make a very good decision. So we have different layers so far. Yeah. Okay, so how about smart benefit? Yeah, smart benefit. We always say smart, very good. What's the smart benefit? Basically increasing your operation efficiency. What is the benefit for a smart board? Yeah, first one, yeah. Automatic terminal can reduce on-site, make power 30%. Yeah. 哇，知道吗？可以干掉70个人，真快。Efficient improvement, yeah. Operation efficiency, yes, will be so efficiency improved 30%，就是会增加这个就是效率30%。我们看看对不对哈？来，in Kaohsiung, we have a main container terminal, quite very famous. It's a CM because he's my student company, and he's a terminal manager at the CM. Normally, this terminal is belong to American Prison Line, but merged by CM Bridge Company. So this gauge crane, right? Gauge crane movement. Gauge crane movements per hour. Per hour is 30, 30 to 35. Yeah, the time point, and probably maybe this number. Okay. Maybe not sure. 2 per hour. How about the more faster? We say semi-automatic terminal in Yangming Line. Yangming Line is terminal number 6. It's terminal number 6. 6号的它大概是到高明，然后它是属于阳明 Line. How about gauge crane movement? Is 40 to 45. 40到45这 one. It's Americans. It's CM. Okay, it's 35. Okay, this one is Yangming Line. Is 30. So calculate increasing how many? 25. 25. 就增加了25%，这比它高，增加了25%的一个作业量，就是我们讲的 container handling volume growth rate， 增长率 rate of growth of the container handling volume。增长20%，看这里是20%，然后说增加25%、30%，差不多。这个just calculate the case of left side is main gauge crane, right side is automatic container terminal. Left side their average is 30 to 35 moves. If calculated by Q, will become the 45 to 52.5. Line side, the Yangming Line, if you calculate by the meter Q, that means 60 to 61. So if you would just calculate two sides, this one and this one, we find out the growth rate will be increasing about, this side is 45, this side is 6. So increase how many percent? 25%. So if you take right here, this number is 30. Similar. Very similar. 这是他们的习惯，不是习惯，这个是 ABL 公司的一个经理告诉我，他们承担一点，因为他计算过，所以以后你要算公司的这个着急怎么样，做一下很简单。如果他说，你下多少路，表示你很专业，你要乘上1.5就可以算进他的位置，就这样很简单，对吧？那 y times 5.5。 1.5 because it's terminal of their march. Yeah, they calculate a lot of experience over 20 years. If I type 1.5 can calculate their, we say the tube, 20 each box. Okay, here, how about the environment reduction? Of course, if you use this kind of equipment, support use electric power. Electric power, as we know, carbon emission. Right? How about basically the smart contracts, smart pole is really very important. All equipment from automatic into, say, artificial intelligence. Yeah, make set your energy. Basically, maybe I can teach you. I have done research before. Smart pole basically will impact what? Increasing your operation efficiency will be up. And your energy consumption will be reduced. And the carbon emission will be reduced. Yeah, I will do this kind of research before. And find out they have some relationship. So that means if you make your equipment more handling more faster, they can make a job more easy to finish. That means you can save your time, save your energy. Especially listen because Trump have attacked the Strait of Hormuz. That's false. 50%, all the oil is from Strait of Hormuz, Middle East. That means cost gasoline price will go up. So the concept. How about the concept of special for internet smartphone? They have different case for you. Yeah. International commercial port was one. Yeah, because global world, 8% is count on seaport. Yeah, so seaport very important. And so special ship is very large, and if a ship only 24,000 cube, container ship.